Guys, kamusta yung experience nyo? Grabe yung effort nila, oh.
Ma'am sir, maganda tayo sa malubong. Sa labas na po tayo, sa labas na.
Guys, quick interview lang. How was it? How was the concert?
It was so fun and super kilig po, especially for the Asra.
Yun na nga eh, I saw it. Yeah. And kitang-kita nyo naman na may mga kilig questions doon. Kinilig din ba kayo?
Super kinilig, especially sa sa 20 out of 10 closeness.
What's your name pala and where are you from?
I'm Miss Christine Calo from Bacolod.
And ano yung fans club nyo so that they can follow?
Asra's OFC and we are called as Razzles.
Yan. Kamusta guys? Nag-enjoy din ba kayo?
Di ba nagmamumble prank ka?
Yeah! Kilala nyo ako.
We enjoyed and mas nakaka-hashtag din panatag talaga for our group. Yung mga kaganapan.
Hintayin nyo kapag na-meet ko si AZ tsaka i-mumble natin. Wow, ang ganda. Ang cute nila. Thank you guys. Ingat po kayo. Ayan yung mga fans ni Dusty. Hi guys, Dasbia kayo?
Yes po!
How was it? How was the concert?
Very, just be happy!
Where are you from pala? What's your name?
Pigeon po.
Where are you from?
Cebu pa. I'm from for the...
And ano yung fans club nyo for Dust?
Siya po.
Oh my God!
Puro na kami yan.
Okay. So ano masasabi nyo sa kilig performance nilang?
Panatag na panatag. On cam or on cam!
Yes! At saka nakita natin how priceless the reaction nung nakita nila yung mga halos pinuno kasi ng Dusty. Excited na rin ba kayo sa sabi nila, movie nila na gagawin?
Super! Pupunta kami dito.
Sa tingin nyo, ano ang meron sa Dusty kung bakit maraming mga supporters sila?
Kasi totoo sila, te! At that's be happy lang.
Diba? At saka yung effort nyo talaga sa The Big Dome, nakita namin.
Oo po. Kasi totoo yung nakita namin. So, ganun talaga yung balik nila. Don't tell me sa real, hindi sa real.
Oh!
Hindi, real at real gusto ko. Dalawa. On cam at off cam. Aking lahat.
Yes! Thank you and ingat kayo. Bye-bye. Ayun.
Question, baka magulat ako sa question.
Ay, hindi. What's your name and where you're from?
Okay, sir.
What's your name? Where you from po?
My name is Amge and here's my daughter Kylie. We're from Valenzuela.
Ayan, kitang-kita naman yung color purple and yung ano nyo, sa taas Mick Brent. Ano ang na-feel nyo and experience nyo watching the concert and of course Mick Brent?
Grabe, nakakakilig sobra. And tuwa-tuwa yung anak ko, promise. Thank you.
Oh, how was it? Anong experience mo? Nakita mo na sila personal. Ayan, di ba? And then kilig, di ba? Overload. Is this your first time seeing them in person? Oh my God, di ba? Kitang-kita nyo rin yung suporta ng Mick Brent kanina. And isa rin kayo sa mga sumigaw.
Yes, sobra.
Ano yung nagustuhan nyo yung performance doon?
Syempre yung solo nilang dalawa.
And of course, sino nga ba siya ni Mika, di ba?
Yes, of course.
Ingat po kayo and thank you. Hi guys, quick question lang. Sinong pwede? For Kish? Kahit isa lang. Any, quick interview lang. Ayan. What's your name? What's your name and taga-saan ka?
Janine from Alabang.
Ayan, nakita namin. I saw yung stand and of course yung red, no? Siyempre, Kish, Kira, and Josh. How was the performance of Kish and yung concert mismo ng
Super nakakakilig. Actually, we're expecting something from them, like yung performance nga. Pero iba pa rin nung napanood ko na. Nakakakilig talaga as in. And then, grabe kumungatan yung duo, yung Kish, yung pagsayaw nila, bigay na bigay.
What's the best thing about Kira and Josh?
Yung heart nila, as in, yung kindness nila, sobrang generous sila, genuine, ayun.
Hindi mo makikita ang parang pilit sila kung makipag-entertain sa mga fans nila. Genuine nila sa mga fans. Kaya mas lalo namin sila malaman.
And of course, yung duet nila, no? Grabe din talaga yung kilig.
Parang gusto ko nilang mag-stay sa moment na yun.
Wait lang. Re-replay namin yun mamaya. Avail kami ng...
Yes! And of course, yung mga fan cam, pwede niyong panood. Yes, ayun. If they want to join sa fans club ng Kira and Josh, paano? May mga...
Yes, we're active po sa X, especially sa X, formerly Twitter.
Username.
Message lang po nila kami at Kishes Official.
Ayan. So, they want to dun lang, di ba?
Yes po.
And abang-abang tayo sa nila.
Sa ganap nila, yes.
Yes.
Oo.
Di ba?
Manifesting na project for Popo.
And
Bagay.
talagang sa mga nahatak po ng Kish, don't hesitate po na i-message lang kami. Growing family tayo and very welcoming po tayo.
And of course, love.
Love, panatay.
Yes.
Sabi nga ni Easy, parang ilalaglag niya, may something.
Ay! Ayun na nga, di ba? Thank you guys and ingat kayo. Ayan sila. Thank you. Ayan. First of all, what's your name? Taga-saan ka?
Hi, I'm Ayn and I'm from QC.
Ayan, kitang-kita naman, Raf B. Diba? Kung sino nakapanood ng Acer, may duet sila doon.
Yes,
diba?
very much. Hindi kami nakatulog guys. As in mga 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. na natulog yung mga tao.
First of all, how was the concert? Kamusta?
Sa AcerCon?
Ay, ito muna. Ito. Big collab.
Okay naman, na-enjoy ko kasi first time ko rin nakita lahat ng housemates. Yun nga, may mga na-miss lang talaga kami ng mga bronze. Like sa PDG. And syempre, sa Raffi.
Diba? Tapos, what's good about Ralph V? Bakit sila yung sinusupport niyo?
The root of this talaga, ship talaga. For us, for all of us, it's because they have this unique dynamic na meron silang competitiveness na hindi natin makita typically sa usual na mga duo or pairing na may chemistry.
Yes.
May chemistry sila, but at the same time, yung pinaka-importante, meron silang drive to win, meron silang, as in like, may determination talaga sila sa tasks. Yun, kaya siya nagbuo talaga. Dahil sila yung top 1 kapamilya at kapuso na house.
So, di ba nga sila yung sinabing academic duo? Kasi ang galing talaga nila sa task.
Kasi sila yung magkalaban lagi.
Yes, top 1 and top 2 lagi sila, di ba? Lalo na yung final at saka yung basta yung laro na marami. Ayun, where they can, if they want to join to your fans club, how they will connect?
We actually we have an official account for the Ralph B official. So it's at Ralph B OFC sa X na pala siya.
Yeah.
X. Same username sa Instagram, and then we also have Ralph B official sa Facebook.
Yes. Spread love lang, di ba?
And guys, support LV. Meron pa silang future projects. So, di ba, meron silang Easter na together.
Yeah.
And there's an upcoming endorsement with Mang Inasal.
Oh my God!
Watch out for that, guys.
Alright. Thank you! Ay, dahil sa abs daw niya. How was the concert?
Well, concert is so nice. This is something that we are unexpected. And Yeah, masaya kami kasi nagsama-sama kami from different places around the Philippines. And I guess this is not the end, right?
And nakita natin yung personality ni Vince na talagang
Exactly.
nakakatawa siya.
I think what mattered the most is yung growth niya inside the house and how he applies it outside work.
Oh my God!
So, to Vince, rest assured that this is not gonna be the last because we're gonna support you all over your career, right?
Yan! Paano sila pwede mag-connect sa, like, sa fans club niyo so that they can, ano?
Okay, so I'll call my manager. Come on.
Ayan, paano sila ano, like, to join the concert? Ay, the, fans club of Vince.
Just follow us on our social media accounts, The Vinces.
Ayun, di ba?
Chill lang po kami,
What?
hindi kami toxic.
Ay. What's good about Vince? Bakit niyo siya ina-idolize?
First of all, yung attitude niya kasi sobrang mapagmahal sa magulang, then God-fearing, tsaka grabe yung approach niya sa mga fans sa amin. Kaya yun yung pinaka-na-appreciate namin sa amin.
And lastly, na-enjoy niyo ba yung concert?
Sobra. Part 2, bitin.
Huwag ng parto, yung sa Jen.
Hi, Jen. Thank you guys, and ingat kayo. Bye-bye.
Sikat na ako!
Hindi kami 30, 31 kami.
Bye. Thank you, thank you. What's your name? Where are you from?
Hi, I'm Ina. I'm from Cavite.
Yeah, and how was the concert?
It was so good and nakakakilig and nakaka-enjoy. It's worth it.
Are you a fan of PBB collab?
Yes, I am.
Yes. What's the best thing about PBB? Yung collab edition this time?
Siguro the collab itself. Kasi, to be honest, hindi naman natin makikilala lahat ng housemates ng other networks if it's not for PBB. So, that's the best thing that happened to them as well. So, yeah.
Kitang-kita namin, no? Yung parang sinusupport mo, Wilka. Ayan. So, may grabe yung dumugundong talaga yung Wilka doon. Kamusta? Ano yung experience doon?
Parang naglupasay na ako doon. Hindi ko na nakilala yung totoong ako. Kasi hindi, sobrang genuine lang talaga nila. And I know a lot of people will agree na iba yung yearning, yung smile, yung tension. I love it. So, yun talaga yung nagpapahook sa akin. Kaya, certified Wilka.
Ayan, di ba?
Yeah.
Grabe din talaga. And if ever magkakaroon sila ng reunion project ulit, support ka ba?
Of course! Isa ako sa mga nag-relate ng project nila. So, I'm so excited for them.
What's the best thing about them? Bakit mo siya sinusupport?
Siguro yung genuine connection. Hindi siya pinipilit, hindi siya sinasabi ng kung sino, walang pressure. It's just the two of them na nagkakaintindihan. So, yeah.
Thank you very much! And ingat! Hi guys! Quick interview lang for Mick Brent, right? Yeah. Okay lang? Ayan. I saw the grabe din talagang effort nyo ah. Ayan. Sige, sino yung representative? Ayan, di ba grabe oh? Look at them. Ayan. What's your name? Where are you from?
Sorry po?
What's your name? Where are you from?
My name is Max po. Max and Twitter. And we are from Langosok Frequent!
Ayan. First of all, how was the concert?
It was one for the books po talaga. And super satisfied po talaga kami sa performance po ni Mika and Brent.
Diba, nakita naman natin yung solo prod ni
Super kay Mika po, yung duet niya po with Ate Clara.
Clarice.
Super po.
Ayan, napakinggan nyo na ba yung sino nga ba siya?
Yes po, nag-stream po kami.
Diba? Number one agad.
Number 1 po sa iTunes.
And of course, yung pag-strip ni Brent. Kamusta?
Yung team-upload po namin, busog na busog.
Ayan. What's the best thing about loving Mick Brent?
Because they are very genuine po talaga. Hindi po nila minamadali ang lahat and that's what we love about them po. They really take care of each other po talaga and look for each other po talaga. And naniniwala po kami na genuine po kung ano mga relationship meron sila po.
Ayun na nga. Anong masasabi niyo na duos for life daw talaga sila?
Duo for life po talaga sila hanggang umabot mo sa I do!
Oh my God! Diba? Where they can get, or kapag gusto nilang sumama sa fans club ninyo, do you have any IG or X?
Yes po, we have an X account po. You just have to search or look for Nangnongs OFC or Mick Brand Official. We are the official sponsors po of Mick Brand Official po in X.
Ayan, napakaganda no? Very creative talaga sila. Oh, ayun, no? Meron pang... Ay, may bago silang Maya, right? Sila yung...
Yes po. They are the newest ambassadors po of Maya Black.
Ayan. Kung meron silang project, anong movie or gusto nyo support kayo?
Gusto po talaga namin movie project po. Rom-com po yung genre po.
Bagay na bagay.
Super.
Yung Acer, nandun din kayo kagabi.
Yung sa Acer po, hindi po kami nakakuha ng ticket, but we were streaming po. We were watching it live, and meron po kami, nagpadala po kami ng mga mentis po. Mentis po ang tawag sa mga fans.
Yeah, to tell you honestly, I was there. Grabe yung gumagundong din kapag yung Mick Brand na.
Yes po.
Grabe. Yeah, PDG. Thank you and enjoy the night.
Thank you po.
And what's your name? Where are you from?
Pinkay from Cavite.
Ayan, we saw the talagang blue Michael, tatak Michael na yan, di ba? From AOS and all, kapag how was the concert, the PPP collab?
Masaya. Ang talented ng housemates. Siyempre yung pambato namin, di magpapatalo.
Yes, di ba?
Tapos, nakita ko naman lahat ng mga dumalo, nag-enjoy sila.
Are you a fan of PPP collab?
Ang last na panood ko ng PBB, yung kina Alexa pa.
O yung sa kanila?
Tapos ito.
Ayan, di ba?
Kasi nung hindi ko pa alam na mapasok si Michael na PBB. Wala talaga akong plano manood.
Yes.
To be honest. Pero syempre, si Michael yan eh.
Grabe.
Pambato yan.
Yes, kapag kapag tawag dito, creativity and yung laban kung laban talaga sa satas, di ba? Yun yung na-miss ko rin kay Michael. And yung pag-host niya, sobrang clear talaga. What's loving about Michael? Anong
Ano siya eh, isa na sa mga artists na pag minahal mo, hindi ka magsisisi.
Yes.
Down to earth, malambing, mabait, and then lovable sa family, religious.
Kitang-kita naman, di ba?
And syempre, matalino at multi-talented.
Ayan. O yung strip show niya kanina, kamusta? Na-enjoy mo?
Yung sa, ay Diyos ko, ang init. Malamig sa Araneta pero ang init-init. Grabe. Lalo na yung pa-apron-apron na.
Di ba? Excited ka na rin ba if ever magkaroon ng Mili project?
Ay go, push na push, go na go yan. Lahat ng Siguro Wires naka-support. Inaantay lang din talaga namin if ever na magsama sila.
Yes,
Okay.
di ba? Tagal niya, may Ilonggo Girl yung last niyang
Yes.
show. Hopefully this year meron.
Abang-abang, yun na yung masasabi ko.
Di ba? Thank you very much and ingat kayo.